All right, so I wanted to do a quick rundown on some of the lighting that I've got going on for the new Alucab ModCap camper, along with the Gladiator. Been working on a lot of new parts, especially once I got the new ModCap, and just really wanted to show some of those. I'm going to do a full walk around on the truck here soon, but I just wanted to give a quick little video on just the lighting setup that I have going on. Because as you can see, I've got my flashers on right now, and I've swapped out the top light for the brake light that comes on the camper for this chase light, which is actually made by Lit Industries, Litt Industries. And I've got that's their 12-inch chase light, and these are the 4-inch dual chase lights. So what these are, the industry that they've been doing mostly so far is for side-by-sides. So I reached out to Taylor with Lit and was like, hey, there's a lot of these guys with these campers would probably like these a lot, because I do know a lot of people are mounting chase lights and stuff. So what it does is it does come with a program module, and that module has a momentary switch that you can turn on the chase lights if you want to. Now I've got mine all wired right now just directly to the 7-pin hitch. I've got one of the adapters for the 7-pin hitch on the underneath backside of the bumper. And I've got everything just set up as brake lights, turn signals, reverse lights. I don't have the function of the chase lights set up just yet, only because I was trying to get everything set up to go through my RedArc system. And excuse me, I haven't got the switch stuff worked out to whether or not I can turn on the chase lights for that just yet without just having to use the 3-way momentary switch that comes with the lights. But as you can see, you've got the reds that are flashing, and then on the inside center, it's a little hard to tell up there right now with the light, but it does have white and amber lights in the modules also. So I've got the white and the amber set up as my reverse lights. And they're probably one of the smallest lights that you can buy, but they are one of the brightest that I've ever used. They are wicked bright at night for the backup lights and all of the braking and turn signals. And as you can see, I've got it set up just with my flashers on right now, but I do have it set with the trailer hitch wiring that all the left side works with my turn signal, all the right side works with the turn signal. The brakes work, the reverse lights work, all that stuff. I just don't have the functionality of the chase light set up just yet. But again, they're super cool, even for just using them for this purpose alone. It works really good. As far as the other lighting that I've done with the new camper, I didn't want to go through and drill a bunch of holes in the camper. The last camper I had with just the canopy camper, I had some of the rigid scene lights mounted on the rear and the sides, and this time I just didn't want to do a lot of holes in it. So with the brackets on the side, I just designed some little brackets to hold these Baja Designs rock lights, and the wiring just all goes through behind and then behind the cab and down underneath the bed. But I've got one white, one amber mounted on each side of the truck, and then on the rear I've just got the bracket above the door that also has one white, one amber, and then holds my camera. Right now I've got the Brand Motion camera mounted, and it will hold the Wolfbox cameras now also, because I know a lot of people have been using those too. But again, I just wanted to give a quick rundown on some of the lighting that I've got set up. I am technically a dealer now for the Lit Industries lights, so if you have any questions on those, just let me know. I do highly recommend these, though. They are very well built, and again, they're all machined aluminum and anodized, so they are super nice lights. And then, again, with having the Baja Designs and stuff too, they're small. They put out plenty of light for what I wanted at night. So I'm very happy with this setup, considering I only have one little hole that I drilled up behind for both of those lights, and then the camera to go through. With the brake light that comes on the camper, the wiring is actually a little to the left of the light. So I did have to drill a new hole in the middle for this light, and then 2 small holes for mounting it. But Just ran a little Sikaflex behind all that and sealed it up really well. As you can see on the bottom here, I've got one of my lower filler plates for the Jeep Gladiators, since the camper does not come with a filler plate for that area. That's one of the ones that I put together. And this one's the camera version, so it does have my backup camera for the truck in there. And then I just mounted the other set of lights to these, and they it works great, especially at night. It's super bright for what I wanted, and everything works great. So quick rundown again on the lights. I'm going to try to do a few more videos on this and then a full walk around, but I just want to do a quick video on the lighting. So if you have any questions on these, reach out to me, 813fabrication.com, or just 813fabrication on Instagram or Facebook. Thanks.